Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGO Tech, where I open all things technology. Today as I'm recording this is actually a mystery box. I'm not sure what it is. Once I find out, I'll put it in the title and the description. But it did come from overseas, so let's find out what this is. This is actually a mystery. I'm not sure what I ordered, so let's see what it can be. There's two boxes in here, so I must have ordered two of the same thing. So I'm actually not sure what they are. Okay, let's open it up. This is from the Kickstarter. This is the Deluxe vertical mouse. Oh, finally arrived. Let's make sure it's the same thing in this one. I ordered two because it seemed very interesting. Pretty ergonomical mouse. So I decided to get two, one from my house and one from my work. This one's kind of crushed, so we'll just use this one right here. As you can see here, this is the Deluxe M618X vertical mouse. Works for Windows and Mac. It does 20 degrees adjustable, 2.4 gigs plus Bluetooth 3.0, Bluetooth 4.0, and 3 connection modes. It has a scroll wheel and it seems pretty interesting. It's a wireless mouse. And I got the black ones. I did not get the white ones because, as you know, the white ones can get dirty pretty easily. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I was wondering when these were coming in. I didn't really follow up, but here we have USB-C charging, which is nice. It's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The mouse can last 2 weeks or so with light on. With light off, it can last for 2 months. So as long as you don't have the light on, you should be good. And this is the drivers and the macro settings. And pretty nice instruction booklet, typical. So this is a vertical mouse. This is not your typical regular mouse. As you can see here, on and off, you have the USB, but it also can do Bluetooth. I'm not sure if this is the USB adapter or is it Bluetooth adapter. I'm not sure. And then you have Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see here, it's not your typical mouse, right? This is the USB-C charging. Plastic right here at the bottom. Got some ridges right here. And this is the middle mouse click. Left, right. The scrolling wheel. Scrolling wheel right here. And the thumb buttons. And I assume this is the adjustable, see? Tighten it up so you can't move it. Loosen it up so you can adjust it to a different 20 degrees angle. So as you can see, your hand will sit, your pinky sits right here. It's actually pretty comfortable. So you have your thumb rest right here, which can do the 2 thumb mouse. And then pretty much move. Left click right here, right click right here, scrolling right here. so it's not bad. What I'm actually going to use for is both work and at home. I'm going to see if this works on Fortnite. Since this is it's not a stationary mouse, I can move it all around. I'm going to try it in Fortnite and see what happens. So there you have it. This is the Deluxe vertical mouse, the M618X. I will post a description for a website, and I'm not sure if it's up for purchase yet, but if I do find out if it's up for purchase, direct purchase, then I will post that too. They might have put a link on Indiegogo, but I will post that also. And there you have it. I'm going to test this out. Go test this out at work and at home on Fortnite. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you next time.